What an infuriating weekend that was.
Hey! Yeah!
Am I mad? Am I squinting? Am I trying to see something from really far away? Nobody knows. Not even me, and it's my face, which unfortunately is on your computer or mobile screen right now. Sorry. But here I am, good old SB Mitch, the husky dingbat of sneaker YouTube. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram here, or visit my website, ransomnotesneakers.com, your home for whatever the heck is on there. Yeah, this weekend was extremely infuriating. There were a lot of releases. There were a lot of L's that I saw, at least, from a lot of people. A couple people did really well, though. So we're going to talk about that later, after I unbox some stupid stuff in haul series number 45. So I'm going to kind of blow through these things because why not? So this first thing is from cause1.com. I'm sure most of you know who Cause is already, but a little tidbit of info for you. Cause is an American artist, very famous worldwide actually for just having these like kind of figurine structure type things. It's usually just like a cartoonish figure, and they're all over the world. There's some in Amsterdam, there's probably some in other places. Ooh, packing material, love to reuse that. These came out a while ago, so I managed to get 2 of them, and here they are. It might be too bright for me to know what's going on here, but I have a black and a white or silver or whatever you want to call it. These are called the Companion Passing Through. This is actually like a big figurine somewhere. It's in the US somewhere, like Texas or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, I'd have to look it up. But this is called Passing Through. It's the Cause figurine. These are usually for display. There's some decent resale value on these. That's kind of why I got them, but I also was considering displaying them. I'm more of a Metacom Bear Brick guy myself, but these are still really cool. So I think the retail on these was 200 each. Regardless, still really cool. Big fan of these. So that's the first thing I got. This next thing I actually got from a friend. Something I have already that I needed to double up on. But the fella I got it from is a really solid human being. You should follow him on Twitter. His handle is @BLVINE03 on Twitter. That's Bullvine03 on Twitter. Hey, he threw something else in here. Look at this, it's a medium, one of none t-shirt. Blaine, you are the man, thank you so much. He has his own clothing line called One of None, and it's a medium shirt. He actually sent me something before and it was an extra large shirt. Basically a moo-moo on me, but this is really cool and it's black. Pumped on this. Dude, thank you very much. Lots of packing material, what a dude, that's so awesome. This is from the recently released collaboration with Acronym, the Air Presto Mid Utility. This is the Racer Pink colorway. This shoe is loud. I love this shoe. I have my pair right up here. It's already got some scuffies on the front, but definite double up on these because I'll get into it later. I think these are probably gonna be my favorite shoe of the year, but look at that. There's just so much personality in this shoe. Super pumped, love him. And I love Blaine. You guys should follow him on Twitter, @BLVine03. on Twitter. Human being extraordinaire. Love the guy. Getting married soon. Congratulations, you son of a gun. And thank you. This is really awesome. I'm such a huge fan of this collaboration. And to kind of keep going on that, this next thing, or this last thing I actually got is from Dover Street Market, New York. But I got it through a really good fella. You can follow him on Twitter. His handle is @NatureBoyChuck. Really good follow on Twitter. Really knowledgeable about sneakers. Really knowledgeable about how to get sneakers. Post links and stuff like that. But he managed to oop me these. I haven't opened these yet, I haven't seen them in hand. Unlike the Racer Pink acronyms, I have a pair already, so I knew what to expect. I don't know what to expect with these. Woo! DSM does not mess around with packing material. Oh, that's really awesome. Whoa, and bubble wrap around it. Go DSM. So, this is another one, as you can tell. Collaboration with Acronym. This is a different colorway, though. This is the cool gray colorway. Whoa. Now, this was probably, in my personal opinion, my least favorite of all the colorways, but in hand, y'all, these are actually impressive. I am not a big fan of mostly black colorways. I know all of the black back here would kind of mess me up a little bit. So on this pair, I didn't notice the details, but if you look on the upper there, that's actually the sign that Acronym uses, and that's what this is repeating all over the shoe, which I think is really, really cool. These are awesome. I wanted all 3 of these for personal use, and these do not disappoint. Even for a colorway that I wasn't looking forward to that much, this is really cool. Wow, I'm impressed. Yo, he's even more impressive. At NatureBoyChuck on Twitter, give him a follow. Thank you, sir. I appreciate your help so much. Good pickups this week. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, this last weekend was wasn't really the weekend, it was probably like Thursday through Saturday, but it was just jam-packed with a bunch of releases. We're gonna go over them real quick in a new segment that probably won't ever happen again called, Did You Get 'Em? The weekend that was started on September 20th and ended on September 22nd. The acronym Nike Air Presto Mid-Utility, 3 colorways that came out. They released on Thursday the 20th, and these are actually the second collaboration between Eros and Hugh, or acronym as he's known in the design world, and Nike. The first collaboration was all Air Presto Mid-Utilities too. These are a little bit wilder. These were a little bit more out there than the first collaboration, which, don't get me wrong, the first collaboration is really cool. These are amazing, if you ask me. These will probably be, if you were to put me on the spot right now and ask me what my shoe of the year was, I would definitely say these acronym Prestos. They have tons of personality, they're extremely loud, and I absolutely love them. So, did you get them?
Yeah.
On Friday, there was a wide release, 3rd restock actually, of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cream White. Kanye was not messing around when he said he wanted everyone to have Yeezys, or there to be availability for everyone. Kinda weird how Adidas decided to release them right at the end of summer because it's such a summer shoe, but hey, whatever floats their boat. I think it's a really cool move on their part to make this widely available to everybody. But, did you get them?
Nope.
Saturday was the release of the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple and Pine Green. These have very, very similar quality as the shattered backboards and also the bread toes, so there was a lot of hype around these. Now that the dust has settled, it seems like there were a lot more Pine Greens than Court Purples, which is totally cool. I don't really like the Court Purple that much, but they seemed a lot more limited than the other one. If you're trying to grab any Court Purple ones, I would definitely go after GS sizes because they're just gonna all the way up. But, did you get them?
Nope. Yeah.
1 out of 2 ain't bad. And finally, we have the Humidity New Orleans Nike SB Dunk High collaboration called Trumpet. This release celebrates the French Quarter section of New Orleans by donning materials that really represent the vibrant jazz scene down there. It's an SB, big fan of SBs as you could probably tell. About 3 days before these released, a fellow by the name of LeBron James posted on his Instagram of him wearing a pair, which created a ton of hype around that shoe. Being a Cavaliers fan, I've only been mad at LeBron James once in my entire life. So, did you get him?
Nope.
I have now been mad at LeBron James twice in my entire life. Thanks, LeBron! So I didn't do too bad this weekend. I hope everyone else did really, really well. I know a lot of people wanted those ones. Some people wanted to get more creams, which, you know, that's awesome. It was a really, really fun weekend of sneaker releases. So go down below in the comments. Let me know what you got, if you even wanted to get any of them, or if there was something under the radar that I didn't mention that you got. Totally flex on me because I would love to hear your stories. Be sure to check out my dumb website, ransomnotesneakers.com. I had a restock last Friday. There will be another restock this coming up Friday. Thank you to everyone who even checked out the Brick 66 run from this weekend. It was a kind of successful run. I mean, it's eBay. What are you gonna do? Cool stuff going on. I have a beater box that's been chilling for a while. I'm gonna be opening that up on Friday with you. So, till then, take care of each other. And remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that. And I will see you Friday with a beater box. Bye-bye.